Hi everyone, and welcome to the very first video of 2023 here at Mr. Carlson's lab. I have some exciting news for you. I'm going to be uploading videos much more frequently starting now. I have a new series planned, which is a Q&A and a tech tip series, which will be happening about every 2 to 3 days. And as time progresses, I might even work that right down to every single day. I will have a short video to share with you, either a tech tip or I will answer a question from the comments section or from some comment in somewhere on my channel. I guess you could look at it like that. Now, I read every single comment that's posted here at Mr. Carlson's lab. Yes, that is a lot of reading. It's impossible to respond to all of them, but I will choose a random comment and just respond to it here on camera, and I may share a tech tip with that as well. Sometimes it'll be one, the other, or both. This will allow me to get up much more information for all of you. Now, for any of you that have been on this channel for any length of time, you know that doing a repair or a restoration in reality takes a long time. So when you add a camera to it and processing videos and things like that, it triples, sometimes even quadruples that time. So a repair is usually 2 weeks between videos here, and a restoration can sometimes be as long as a month. And of course, when you get into a restoration, you don't want to break that, push that off to the side and then start in on a repair, and do something a little faster and then come back to the restoration. You just kind of want to get each job finished and done. Well, this new video series will allow me to put in videos in between that much more frequently, address questions, and share tech tips with all of you. So this should be very exciting. This is going to be a very busy year at Mr. Carlson's lab. I have lots of stuff planned here for 2023. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely do that now and check back every 2 days, maybe even a day in the future. As I say, in the future, as I get more comfortable with this entire series, there's a good chance that this may even happen every single day. So I'll have a nice little short video sharing some form of information with you. Now, the whole idea of this is to, I guess you could say, just convey more information, but I also have to be careful that I don't burn myself out, because I'm also doing Patreon. I have an ongoing electronics course on Patreon, which I have a set uploading schedule for that. And of course, I share all my inventions and designs up there, so I'm designing things for there as well. So you can imagine how incredibly busy my schedule is. As you know, this just got built. If you've been on this channel, this just got built, and there's still stuff that is still in the works. And then of course, with everything else that's going on, time is not long enough. I'm recording this right now. I think it's about 3:15 in the morning. So there you go. That's how busy things are here. So I want to convey as much info as I can to all of you, and this is going to be a very exciting time. 2023 is going to be a great year for Mr. Carlson's lab. I hope you can join me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, and don't forget to check out Patreon if you want to further your knowledge on electronics even more. Until next time, which will be very short from now, I'll see you then. Bye for now.